to cook steak on a pan. We're gonna try it. Let's go.
Got the steak. Got the seasoning, barbecue, black pepper, Italian seasoning, got butter, salt, boom. Olive oil to make sure the seasoning sticks in the steak, you already know. I had no idea. It's actually very important. Yeah, that was way too much salt. Don't put that much salt. Bruh, looking at myself do all these things, I'm like, wait, what? Real nigga cooking steak. Way too much black pepper, like a real G. Massage that steak, my nigga. Make sure all them spices are sticking in. By the way, this is not a cooking channel. I just post stuff that I do. It's a regular Saturday for a real nigga, you already know. Regular. It's not for now, it's for later, when the steak is mildly almost done. Because if you put it now, it's gonna be just burnt. Oh, the Chinese assorted spices. These are fucking good, bro. I will not lie. I would wanna know what is in this thing. These Chinese spices are fucking good. Oh, get that pan nice and hot. Get that pan nice and hot. With the olive oil, make sure the olive oil is literally evaporating. The steams are coming out. Then put the steak in. Get that grill sizzling sound, you feel me? That's even way more important than anything. After a couple of minutes, one side, twist it up, turn it to another side. Get it real caramelized on both ends. Then you start adding butter to it. Yeah, add butter. Butter is very important. It doesn't burn the steak, it just seasons, you already know. Like a real G. Oh yeah, more batter. The more batter, the better. Don't worry about all that. Cloves in. Couple sliced carrots in. Rosemary, my favorite, in. Sprinkle the rosemary all over that. The more rosemary, the better. Yep. Make sure you turn it after a few minutes, especially the veggies. And the steak as well. Oh, get a close up. Yep, play with it. Bruh, I felt like a real chef, nigga, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I felt like a real chef right here, bro, I ain't gonna lie. With the caramel and the blackening starting to form, I felt like a real chef. Yeah, pinch it for a little bit. Yeah. Use the spoon to make the butter come up to the other side that's not taking the heat at that moment. Bro, look at this. Look at this. On top of everything that I can do, and now I can cook? Call me master chef, bro. I'm master in everything. Master communicator, master salesman, master marketer, master chef. Master G, bro.
Well, guys, bon appetit. Wow. First steak, bro. This shit is banging. How am I a chef? How can I do everything? You know what they say, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger.